bird. Lagi silang forever together. Good morning, bird. Always happy together. Look at the scenery here in our place. Very foggy. Fog. See, 7 o'clock in the morning. And look at the place. The scenery in my place is so like this. Very fog. Yes. Look at that. Like a smoky mountain. Yes. Look. Ang ganda, 'di ba? So amazing. See? Still dark at 7 o'clock in the morning. Here in Malaysia. Very beautiful scenery. Look at that. Oh. No airplane. I don't know where is the airplane. Oh, I know. Maybe they didn't travel yet the airplane because this what you call this? Kalat of smoke and the sky. See, it's dark. So maybe later because this time galat of airplane pass by here. There's so many airplane passing this way, go to that place. I don't know where they go. Nice. See, my dog is eating. The two bird is waiting for them to finish. Dahil kinakain nila yung tira-tirang food. Ayun, lumipad yung isa. Ayun, lumipad yung dalawa. Thank you so much, guys, to all my subscribers. I love you all. Bye-bye. Please take care. Bye. I love you all, guys. Bye-bye.